Hi, I'm Adam from Spire Electrics, and today I'm going to show you how to install your R10 vinyl trim ring with your R10 light. The first step is to select the correct trim ring for the niche you are working with. The trim rings are labelled. This one has a P for Pentair Quick Niche. The next one has a H for Hayward Dura Niche and Hayward Plastic Niche. And the one we'll be using in this example today is labelled PM for Pentair Stainless Steel. First step is to hold the trim ring over the niche. Next, you want to install the R10 bracket. Align the arrow on the R10 bracket with the top of the niche and push the R10 bracket into the niche. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the cam locks. It's a good idea to tighten one cam lock halfway and then move to the next one. Once the cam locks are nice and firm, you are now ready to connect the plug top to the light. For more instructions on how to do this, please see our other videos.